Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel, Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today in this video we are going to learn a powerful dua. It is mentioned in one of the hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari, narrated Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever says La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir 100 times will get the same reward as given for setting free 10 slaves, and 100 good deeds will be written in his accounts, and 100 sins will be deducted from his accounts, and it will be a shield for him from shaitan on that day till night, and nobody will be able to do a better deed except the one who does more than he. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir." Let us now learn the dua word by word. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu. La ilaha illallah means there is no God except Allah. Wahdahu la sharika lahu means alone without any partners. La ilaha illallah Wahdahu la sharika lahu means there is no God except Allah alone without any partners. Then comes Lahul mulku. Mulk means kingdom. Lahu means his or to him belongs. His is the kingdom or to him belongs the kingdom. Walahul hamdu. Wa means and. Hamd means praise. Lahu means his or to him belongs. Walahul hamdu means and his is the praise. Then comes wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Wa means and, huwa means he, ala kulli shay'in qadir means he has the power over all things. Wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir means and he has the power over all things. He is omnipotent. Let us now revise the whole dua. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. The English translation is: there is no God except Allah alone without any partners. His is the kingdom and his is the praise, and he has the power over all things. There is no God except Allah alone without any partners. His is the kingdom and his is the praise, and he has the power over all things. So recite this dua daily 100 times or more than that to gain Allah's blessings. Please like this video and share to reach maximum people in order for them to know about this dua and learn. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our learnings, bless us with more knowledge of Islam and to act upon it and to share what we have learned with others. Jazakallah khairan for watching.